Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm going to demonstrate to you how to cut two whole eye fillet into eye fillet steaks and also the other half closer to the tail for eye fillet roast. So as you can see the other video, okay, that's me boning out the eye fillet and sirloin attached together from the hindquarter beef. So that's how you bone out the eye fillet. So check out my full video. Now back into our eye fillet. So this is a whole eye fillet. Now I am removing the silver skin. It's optional if you want to leave it on or not, it's totally up to you. But for me, I prefer to remove the silver skin. It's not pleasant to eat. Okay, and then just check if there's any excess fat. Leave the amount of that fat in that eye fillet. You've got to have some fat on the eye fillet. Beautiful, it's flavorful. Now I'm cutting it into eye fillet steak. If you measure your 2 fingers or 3 fingers measurement, that's how thick this eye fillet steaks is. Either 2 finger measurement or 3 fingers. The other half is the eye fillet roast. Now this is the second whole eye fillet. So I'm using my finger. It's a natural seam. You can easily use your finger just to open it up and also cut it to remove the chain. Okay, this is the chain. As you can see, I'm trimming out any gristle. Just check if there's any excess fat. Just squaring it up, also trimming out any excess fat. Now removing the silver skin. It's really important to have a sharp knife to remove the silver skin. Just be careful. You don't want to create any deep cuts into your eye fillet, whole eye fillet, because eye fillet is the most expensive beef cut in the beef section. Okay, so it's important to have a sharp knife. Then squaring it up and cutting it into eye fillet steaks. Then the one that's closer to the tail, I'll leave that for roast, eye fillet roast, and the rest for steak. And that's a demonstration, everyone.